The story began with Nova, a gentle German shepherd with a heart as large as her imposing frame. Diana, ever the animal lover, had spent countless hours nurturing Nova to be kind and accepting of all creatures. The fruits of her labor were evident. Nova was a friend to parrots, cats, and even rats. But Diana's heart longed for one more addition, a ferret. After extensive research, Diana discovered that ferrets and dogs could indeed coexist harmoniously. With her confidence bolstered, she brought home Paco, a spirited ferret with an inquisitive nature. Paco, initially overwhelmed by his new surroundings, darted around the apartment, exploring every nook and cranny. Nova, sensing the newcomer's unease, approached cautiously. The German shepherd's gentle demeanor was apparent, but Paco seemed intent on avoiding the larger animal. For the first couple of days, Paco was a whirlwind of activity, skittering about while Nova watched with a mixture of curiosity and patience. Diana could see the growing tension in Paco's reluctance and Nova's restrained enthusiasm. It seemed that Paco was determined to remain aloof, unwilling to accept Nova's attempts at friendship. On the third day, Paco, perhaps tired from his relentless exploration or reassured by Nova's unwavering calm, began to approach the Paco. The initial encounters were tentative, a touch of the nose here, a playful swipe of a paw there. What followed was nothing short of extraordinary. Paco and Nova discovered that their shared traits, bravery, playfulness, and boundless curiosity, drew them together. They began to engage in games of chase around the apartment, Paco weaving between Nova's legs and Nova trotting along, careful not to step on his tiny friend. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day. Nova, though much larger, was surprisingly gentle with Paco. The shepherd would often be seen lying on the floor while Paco nuzzled and playfully scratched him. Diana marveled at their compatibility, observing how Paco had taken on a quasi-alpha role, often nudging Nova for attention or playtime. One afternoon, Diana decided to take the duo on a walk. As they strolled through the park, Paco rode snugly on Nova's back, a sight that elicited smiles from passers-by. The ferret's tiny head peeked out from behind Nova's fur, eyes wide with excitement. They frolicked together, their playful barks and chirps resonating through the park. If you liked the video, put like and subscribe to the channel, where you will find a lot of interesting things.